Welcome to part one of the QA50 Electricalize. We have the QA50 frame here, seat, all parted together, just from eBay, and I got a really good deal on this one. $80 for the frame, $50 for the fork, $20 for the handlebars, and then those like $130 from the seat. Obviously, we have to get a new cover, but the most expensive part of it is just the bracket. So, seen the last video of the QA50 that we already did. This is the second one we're doing, and that's basically where we're going to do the same thing. Still haven't figured out the color yet, but this is just stage one, and then as we progress, we'll make more videos and combine the two videos together. And we're going to paint it right now, hence we got the tarps out. Just I don't know, we may do a light dark green. It's kind of hard to explain, but yeah, looks good. We gotta get new bearings in the fork, obviously, and I do like the black fork though. So obviously we gotta chrome polish up the handlebars, but I'm pretty excited about this. And yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, so I definitely forgot to record saying we got the gas tank, but it's yellow, it's QA50 of course, and I'm just gonna sand it and paint it this really nice blue. Okay, so this is gonna end video number one here. So this is what we're looking at right now. Painted green, the gas tank is a light blue. It's I think I really like the colors. I was iffy about it at first. The light's gonna go right here. It's a nice one. It's on Amazon. It's 20 bucks. You get two of them. It's awesome. Brakes. Problem is, I lost one of this one, so I have to buy another one. It's gonna be the lights. It's gonna be, right turn, left turn signal, horn. This is what I'm thinking for the brake light, though. Obviously, we're gonna get a new seat, but right there, you're gonna bolt it onto the seat. I think it'll look real nice. Yeah, and then that switch is gonna be the overall on off for the lights, and this is the tail lights, and it's gonna be wired up really nicely. Sorry for the wind, guys, but the next video is gonna be the wheels and or motor, whatever comes in first. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the rest of the series because I'm excited. This is gonna be awesome.